Center of Competence, we're working mainly for resource efficiency, supporting small-medium enterprises in processes, product development, and also circular economy topics. Therefore, we are supporting the small-medium enterprises on site by optimizing production and processes based especially on eco-design principles. In North Rhine-Westphalia, we have a wide range of industries like wood, plastics, metals, and others. And in terms of packaging, we are also focusing on food industries as well as paper and plastics. In cooperation with a company, we developed, for example, a lipstick packaging together with a designer and a company for paper-based lipsticks. Or we also, along the value chain, developed evaluation metrics to evaluate sustainable packaging. In this event, we are looking forward to give you an insight of sustainable packaging and reusable packaging, and we will see extraordinary examples of sustainable reusable packaging in our region and beyond.
Our ocean provides half the oxygen we breathe, and it's the biggest CO2 sink in the world. Yet every minute, 20 tons of plastic enter our ocean. That's the reason why I set up Serious Business, a company committed to prevent plastic pollution at the very source. Our mission? Zero plastics into our ocean. Plastic is valuable. We shouldn't be throwing it away. There is no away. Single-use plastic packaging is used for moments, but it lasts hundreds of years. We rethink business models, redesign products and packaging, and work across the whole plastic value chain. So nothing becomes waste. We show our clients how to move away from virgin plastic and future-proof their business. The circular economy makes economic sense. It's good for our planet and it's good for business.
We wanted to revolutionise the beauty industry through sustainable practices. And the way that we did that was we created an indie beauty brand. What we did is we put it into reusable, refillable packaging. And what came out of that was Return, Refill, Repeat, our programme that's available for consumer products across not just personal care and beauty, but across all FMCG products. And that part of the business is our revolution, and it's our reuse revolution. So we want to be able to demonstrate and include other businesses and bridge that gap about how did you make your business more circular, having circular practices. And sometimes you have to talk to other businesses in plain English. And that's really what we wanted to do, was to look at one area of your business, packaging for instance, and think about how could we make that packaging more circular. And that's where we like to help other businesses to achieve that.
We came up with the idea of Gojoler Ways from our own experience trying to reduce waste on a daily basis. By doing so, we found out that there are a lot of barriers that make it difficult for us to reduce waste day by day. At Gojoler Ways, we strongly believe that a circular economy is a great opportunity to make the most of the resources we have within the planetary boundaries and live in abundance without wasting the resources we have.
Vital is a digital reusable packaging system with the objective to eliminate single-use packaging waste from convenient food consumption. We want to make reusables the standard for takeaway and delivery food. Now, what's special about Vital is that we work like a library system and without a deposit. So consumers that download our app can borrow as many reusable containers as they like. Coffee cups, for example, a compartment bowl for lunch, or a smaller bowl for soup or a salad. They can borrow all these kinds of containers at any of our more than 1,500 partners for free without paying a deposit. They only pay if they don't return the containers within 14 days, and we send reminding app messages to incentivize quick returns. 99% of our containers are returned within that time frame, and on average, they're returned just after 3 days. Looking at our past history, I think what other SMEs can learn from Vital's success is that we really put convenience and our customers and partners at the core of what we do. So for example, we partner with food delivery platforms, but also with these 10-minute fast grocery delivery startups to make it super easy to order food in our reusable containers, enjoy it without a bad conscience and without, of course, packaging waste, and then return it, for example, with a quick grocery delivery service. So yeah, it's just a super easy and convenient user experience. And I think this is key to make reusables become the mass market solution for takeout and delivery food.
We will see examples of sustainable and reusable packaging here in our region and beyond. So we are looking forward to our speakers and you as an audience and your questions.